So I'm gonna be here in this box processing 600,000 receipts with these very hands.
You know, I think that there's been a misunderstanding. We hired Brian to be our spokesperson, and now he's doing Ramp's finances.
We love you, Brian!
He is the icon. He is the moment.
Ever heard of automated expense reporting?
I don't know anything about automating financial workflows or creating enterprise-level financial software. I'm a maintenance guy.
Basically, it can automatically do expense reports for you.
How many receipts has he gotten done so far? Enough.
I learned some pretty useful things about accounting while I was in there. The main thing is that I don't want to do it.
Oh my God, the cops are coming. Unbelievable. I hope they shut this thing down. Yeah, no, but who do you think of when you think CFO?
I think Brian has a ton of potential based on what I saw in there.
No, I get it. Maximizing profit.
Not totally confident he's ready for the prime time yet.
Accountants!
It's crazy they got the Rizzler out of school for this one.
No pressure. If you drop those rings, we're never gonna find them.
How would you rate Brian's Rizzler face?
6 out of 10, 6.5.
What could he have done to improve?
Probably suck in a little bit more.
I always dreamed of a fairy tale wedding. And while most fairy tales, again, don't take place in glass boxes full of receipts.
We were gonna do our sort of legal wedding this week anyways, so instead of signing papers at City Hall, we opted for this.
3, 2, 1, ramp!
I came in at the end of the day to see how the whole CFO thing was going on, and by then I think he was excited to be spokesperson. I think these were a lot of receipts.